Palace Theatre is built in 1922 and continues to be a relevant music venue today.
1997, the building was claimed as a National Historic Site. In 2007, the Concord Entertainment Group entered a partnership with the Calgary Flames and operated as a sports entertainment bar.
I mean, obviously it's an iconic venue. It's been here for a long time. Being downtown, being a great sized venue, being a beautiful venue, I think it's the cornerstone of Calgary entertainment scene.
Some of the best bands and DJs have all played here, and also it's a gathering place for corporate events.
Artists really appreciate the space that they come to because they're so close with the audience, and because of the tiered nature of the venue, they get a very personal experience in the space with their fans. We haven't had an audio upgrade in a while here at the Palace. So PK sound system has been a huge improvement in the space. We have some real low-end reproduction now that we didn't quite have before. We have a lot more directionality to the PA so we can steer it as we need. So PK brings in a lot of newer technology that we never were able to access.
The Palace has a lot of challenging architectural surfaces. You can see like a lot of the balcony faces are glass. There's a lot of complex reflective surfaces. And the robotic technology that is in our loudspeakers allows us to solve problems of the venue rather than just doing it afterwards with EQ. What makes the TX series special is that we really focused on 2 SKUs of loudspeakers that can do the widest array of applications. You really want it to be able to be multi-purpose, specifically in this size of point source series.
The dynamic software has been very helpful for us so far to have full control of our PA system. We can clearly lay out each unit and module of the PA system in front of us. So line array, subs, flown subs, ground subs, etc. Managing all the robotics of the sound system from your software front of house is hugely helpful. So having direct access to that is great. We were able to fly the PA and work out curvatures and horn flare angles from there. We now have the capability of adjusting the curvature of the PA and the horn flare angles on any given day based on the needs for the day. With the hanging T18s flown on either side of the line array, they're really helpful in filling out the low end in the 2nd and 3rd floors of the venue. And then we also have them mixed with T218s on the floor under the stage, which really gives a nice rumble to the venue.
Just the fact to not have front fills required is amazing, and especially having the different tiers in this room. You can walk up and down, and it's a fairly similar sound between the different levels, which was not achievable with the previous system. It's a great improvement, way faster, way easier right out of the gate.
We've had excellent feedback so far from touring techs, house techs, audience members, staff members alike.
I've been at this venue for 11 years now, and I'm seeing customers who have seen me 10 years ago say what an improvement, and they're just over the moon about the sound quality.
I would say overall I'm really happy with the system performance in the Palace. I think over time, working in collaboration with the Palace staff, I think we're going to make it even better.
I think the quality of audio is such an important thing for the patrons to feel and understand the music, make the hair stand up on the back of their necks. And if that happens, then we've done our job.